Are you studying?
I need to go pee.
What happened here? I'm sure I heard something. Let me check the other rooms.
Then you'll tell what you learned.
No, everything's fine.
What's going on there? Stop. Something's not right here. I guess I imagine it.
Phew, I thought it was done for.
Here we go again. Forward! Come on, come on, come on!
I'll go check if he's studying or not. Are you studying?
Well, where? Pass it!
No words! Even the doorbell is mocking me!
Who needs me there? I need to go pee.